There are about 200 families that are affected, and the recommendation is that because of the seismic movements, the seismic or hydrogeological issues of the county, they indicate that these are very volatile rocks, and they could move anytime. The earth movements could occur in any moment. So these people were dumped there, literally dumped there. They were moved from certain lands downstream here. We're going to the history of that land and see how they can be resettled, and also, restore their dignity. I think the way they are living there is quite dehumanizing. We need to restore their dignity. We're also looking at the wider Mau, people who are not settled in this county, and see how we can network with the national government and see how we can resettle those people. In the 38 colonial villages, that's an agenda that we want to pick up within the 4 pillars and see how, together with the national government, we're able to support those families. In the next 5 years, 38 villages and landless people is a project that may take 5 to 10 years. So the best thing is to start. Let's start from somewhere. Let's start from somewhere and be able to move on progressively.